Trees grow organically. They have individual shapes. No tree is identical to another tree. And yet we all know what a tree looks like. If you give a crayon to a child, they'll draw a tree. But the fact of the matter is, they mean more than that. They can stand in for people. They mean something to people. And in doing that, it becomes difficult. As a framing device, they're classic. For landscape painters, the world over from the 17th century onwards, they would use a tree placed to one side, and the tree gives the scale to the landscape and suggests the distance beyond. But they also require you to think about the air that moves through them. And some artists actually focus on that. Emily Carr was interested in the way light and air moved through a tree. I think there's a challenge facing any artist painting a tree as well, because you can paint the portrait of a tree if you like, but very often trees don't obey what we think of in our heads as being tree-like. They can go off at angles, they have broken branches. You have to, as an artist, formulate your tree so that it actually says this is the classic tree. In Canada, you have a particular problem as well. Again, as a British person, your trees are just too big. How do you fit them in? The things are enormous. And to use them in an artistic way and not lose that sense of the fundamental tree, it's a challenge.